I'm Alexei. Please join my YouTube channel. At this moment, it's a lunch time. So, we will take our lunch. Maniud kami sa Tita Des Restaurant. This is Tita Des. Papasok na ako. Musulod na ako sa Tita Des. This is only 299 per head. Tita Des, we have pasaya. This butter chicken. Lami kayo ilahang food. 299 pesos per head lang. Barato na. Libre pa at soft drinks. Upat meat.
9.29.
This is pork steak. Sarap. Ayaw ko sa food. Paborito na ko, hindi dahil sa food. Sir, ang ingat sa school, mabigaon just because medyo nagtabak ko gain of weight. But I love food. Pag-perminti ko diri sa Tita Des Restaurant. Isa sa mga paborito na ko na restaurant here in Davao City. Sobrang busog ako sa Tita Des Buffet Restaurant here in Ikulan Street, Davao City. Sobrang busog ko. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching and for joining with me. This is Alexei from Davao City, Philippines.